Welcome! You are watching the Diary of a Suburban Farmer. I am documenting my journey as I move towards a more sustainable way of living as I learn to eat fresh from my garden. I will be doing my own research, but also using the comments section for help, and together we can learn as we grow. Today's date is the 17th of April 2018, and this video is about how to make a homemade mosquito repellent. As the summer's fast approaching and the bugs are starting to come out in full force, I thought I would do a quick video on insect repellent. There are lots of homemade recipes, all for different occasions, but in this video I'm going to do one for mosquitoes. And it's actually really easy. As you can see here, I have some rosemary which I harvested from my rosemary bush in my garden. All I've done is stripped most of the leaves off from the stalk and put them in a pestle and mortar, as you can see here. All I need to do now is just to start grinding them up, and it's the process of just grinding them and bashing them that actually releases all of the essential rosemary oils. So when I start to boil this, all of the kind of aromatics and all of the oils are already starting to be released. The next step is then just to get it on the pot. So as you can see here, I'm just cooking it in a pot. Now, just a note here, the water that I've used is mineral water because it's going into your skin. So you really don't want to use tap water, as it's got a lot of chlorine in. So it's simply just put it on the hob, put it in some water and then boil it. I tend to boil it for about 30 minutes, after which it comes out looking like this. Now, all I do is I take it off the hob and let it go cold. Once it's gone cold, just sieve it out into a bowl and then pour it into a sprayer. It's really important that you don't actually use a second-hand sprayer that's had anything else in it. It's really important just to use a fresh new one. As I said, this is going on your skin and you're not going to want any contaminants in there. This mixture is a bit too strong, so I'm just adding some water to it. The leftovers you can use as an insecticide, or you can drink it as a tonic, or you could even put it in the bath to have a refreshing, re-energizing bath. Once you've made the mix up, put it in the fridge for 24 hours and it's ready to use. Then you can just start applying it straight to the skin. If you're interested to learn more about how to make insecticides, just hit the like button or comment below and I'll do a video on that. If you found this video useful, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.